Coco, do you know what today is?
It's Boxycharm.
It is Boxycharm Day, y'all. Actually, it's Ipsy and Boxycharm. Hey everybody, we're back. If you're new, thanks for joining us. I'm Shannon. That's Coco. Click that subscribe button, please. And if you're not new, thanks for coming back. Y'all, we got both of these on the same day. The odd thing is they actually showed up in the mailbox, which never happens. They're always delivered to the door. So that was very confusing for me. I opened them. I took like a quick look. Was not impressed. I figured let's just knock this out in one video. Let's go with Ipsy first. It does have, let me block my address, not that I'm that important, but it has that sticker thing on there, right? And I feel like I got a Boxycharm box that had that, and everybody said, oh, it's because there's an aerosol can, but I didn't notice an aerosol can in here, so I don't know. I feel like the choices this month were really SHIT, if I'm being honest. Anyway, this is the bag. It's just a green bag. I don't know, it kind of has a leaf kind of look to it. You know, whatever. You want this bag, Coco? Yeah. So the first thing we got is this from Skylar Beauty, Salt Air Driftwood Seaweed Sea Salt. This retails for $29. It's full size and it's a fragrance. I would never pick a fragrance because I have very particular taste. I'm not going to say picky, but very particular taste. I feel like this, just by the words that I'm seeing, driftwood, seaweed, sea salt, I'm feeling like I'm not going to like this at all.
Moving brush.
Oh. Yeah, I'm actually a little surprised that I don't think I hate it. It has a sweet scent to it. I'm confused right now, y'all. Ingredients: organic sugarcane, alcohol, blah, blah, blah. This is a clean beauty brand, cruelty-free. Let's see. Notes of sea salt and seaweed. I definitely, as a Hawaiian, I can tell you, there's not notes of sea salt or seaweed. I can smell the ocean. And this doesn't smell like the ocean at all. This actually smells nice, which the ocean smells beautiful to me. It's comforting to me. This does not. This has a very sweet scent. Okay, let's roll some on. We can really see. Yeah, it doesn't. I do smell like a little bit of alcohol, but this is not bad. Like, I was kind of like, when I first saw this, I was like, is that a perfume? Ew. I'm not mad at this. I'm not mad at this. Let's keep it going. The next thing we have here is Florence by Mills Tint and Tame Brow Gel, clear, transparent. This is $14, full size, sculpt your brows. You know, I recently got my brows microbladed, so don't really need any sculpting of any kind. This is what it looks like. We'll probably throw this into a giveaway. The next time I do a TJ Maxx video, I'm going to have like a huge, huge giveaway, so I'll put that to the side for that. I'm not mad at that one. If I hadn't just gotten my brows done and I like still would regularly do them, then that I would be like, okay, cool, I'll use that. I mean, and I probably could still use it to kind of tame them because that's what it's supposed to do, but I don't need it. We got this brush. This is Complex Culture Cheek Chiseler Contour Blush Brush. Jeez, that's like a Dr. Seuss thing there, huh? So this retails for $28. It's a full-size brush. I feel like we've gotten this before. Have I gotten this? No, that's Farrah. I feel like I've gotten a brush from them before. I'm looking, I don't see it, but I feel like we have. I know we've gotten a lot of stuff from them in the past, eyeshadow palettes and some other stuff, but I feel like maybe we got, I don't know. Maybe I've just seen the brush before. This is what the brush looks like. It's pretty. I have so many brushes. I'll take it, you know what I'm saying? I'll take it, but if I had a choice between, bless you, Coco. Say thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. If I had a choice between like something else and a brush, I would not pick a brush just because I have so many already that it's like not thrilled. And then we have this from Thrive Cosmetics, but it's cause as in cause and effect type of thing. This is Youth B5 Complex Glossy Lip Hydrating Serum. It's in the shade Ruth. It's a taupe shimmer shade and it retails for $26. This is a full size. It's vegan, cruelty free. You won't want to leave home without this. It's hydrating, smooth, blah, blah, blah. Let's look. Not overly impressed. $26 seems like kind of a lot. We're going to throw this in the giveaway too because I don't know. I'm not super big on gloss. Like, I have some glosses that I love. They're NARS ones, but generally speaking, kind of have moved away from glosses. I do lip balms, but anyway, let's just let's keep it rolling. Let's keep it rolling. Oh, let's cover the lipstick of the day while we're talking about it. This is NARS. The shade is Catfight. Super, super pretty. Just watch it for you. Just a pretty shade. I will say that perfume, I'm genuinely not mad at that perfume, okay? Let's just say that I'm happy with that one. And then we have a Tarte mascara. This is a 4-in-1 mascara, lights, camera, lashes. This retails for $23. It's a full-size mascara in a black shade. I get my lashes done, so I don't really need mascara. I have a bunch of mascaras already, so we're just gonna throw that to the side. All in all, do I love this box? No. Do I feel like I got the value? When you look at the prices, yes. But overall, I'm not really happy with the stuff that I got in this Wonderlust box. Just being honest. And y'all know, I always say, I am literally always happy with everything that I get. Maybe not everything, but the roundabout, I normally can pick 2 at least items, maybe even 3 that I'm like, yes, I love this. I'm so happy I got this. I honestly can't say that with this box. I'm a little disappointed, but this is the first time in forever, ever in general, that I am disappointed. So, what are you doing? Are you okay? Yeah, okay. It was getting weird. So, you know, I'm not gonna complain. I'm happy that this is the first time, and there's not been a number of times, but still, it's just like, nah. Let's just get into the Boxycharm here. Let's just get into Boxy. This is the Boxycharm Go All Out. Okay, the first thing we see is from, it's stuck in there, from Miss Kate. I do like Miss Kate. So this is a Exfoliate Glow Moisturizer. This retails for 70 bucks. $70. I do like Miss Kate, so I'm not mad at that, y'all. Let's look at it. I've been getting into a like skincare routine, you know what I'm saying? So hopefully I can add this and I'll love it. Little smiley face on the top. Normal packaging for her. It has that pull up tab thing. Oh, slimy. It smells like it's gonna work. You know what I'm saying? Like, it smells like, oh, this skincare product will do what it's supposed to do. It's got kind of like a light green tint. You can kind of tell. Let's just, it's very soft and creamy, like has a decadent. Is it a D or T? I don't know. It feels nice, so I'm happy with this. Okay, I'm happy. We're doing well so far, but I don't think I'm gonna continue to be happy. Let's just put it that way. Also, quick question, what do you think of this hair? Because I was trying to do that beachy wave thing where it kind of curls, but then it's straight down there, and it's just not, I feel like it's just not me, and I asked my husband, I was like, hey, what do you think of this hair? And he was like, oh, it's different. Which, I mean, it is different. And then also, so we've got a TWINSTIMESTWO YouTube thing going. My friend made this scrunchie. I will link her Instagram and everything below. It's underground t-shirts, but she makes scrunchies and t-shirts. She's made me some t-shirts too, but love the scrunchie. So it has our logo on there, and then it says subscribe. So anyway, let's carry on, y'all. This, I'm not overly, it's just like, I don't want face wipes, okay? Because I can go buy a pack of face wipes for $1 from TJ Maxx, and honestly, I don't use face wipes. Other than occasionally I will buy a very cheap pack, like I got this at the Dollar Tree, and this has 60 wipes in it just to keep by my desk so that I could wipe off creams or swatches or whatever. But generally speaking, I don't want this in a Boxycharm and Ipsy. It's a waste to me. This one is going to cost $12. It's a charcoal plus Dead Sea mineral makeup removing wipes. I mean, I'm gonna use this because I have it, but I would have not wanted this. I would have never picked this or been like, yes, this is great. So we're just gonna throw that down there. Then with the Boxycharm choices for next month, basically the choices were pretty much all sold out, and I got there pretty much in the beginning. Even the mystery choice was sold out, and it's like, how's the mystery choice sold out? Because y'all just pick it, like, whatever. I'm not gonna complain, okay? We got this from Clean Skin Club, Pineapple Glow Mist. This retails for $38. This mist is formulated with pineapple enzymes, hydronic acid, peptides, I've purchased a lot of skincare products recently, so I don't necessarily need more, which is why I'm not thrilled with this. Also, I have a video coming out with Style Vana, where they sent me 2 really nice skincare kits. So again, I don't really need more skincare. I do remember we got a vitamin C serum in a Boxycharm from this brand, and that was actually a really nice vitamin C serum. So I'll use this, but I would have rathered something different, y'all. Very nice packaging, not gonna lie. I like the gradient up to the yellow thing. It's a heavy duty glass. Let's...
I want to try.
I only smell the perfume. Okay, close your eyes. Oh no, this has like, this isn't a beauty water. Here, use this one. This is just a beauty water. There you go. I was about to spray it on her. This has some extra stuff in it. That's not safe for kids, y'all. Do that, Coco? Yeah! Okay, next one. We got 2 more things, y'all. I didn't do any add-ons this month. Next month, I do have some add-ons, but not this month. Got this Iconic London. I think I picked this and it was literally like the best option there was. This retails for $35. Ultimate bronzing powder. Blah, blah, blah. Sun-kissed look. Nice packaging. I don't know. It's pretty. It's I'm not going to use it. You know what I'm saying? Like I have a few bronzers that are like holy grails and I'm just probably not going to use this one. So we'll put this to the side for that massive giveaway that we're gonna do. And then the last thing is this palette. I did not open the palette, have no clue what the palette looks like, so we're gonna be surprised together, y'all. This palette retails for $42. Damn. This is Give Them Lala Beauty, the Grown Woman palette. Oh, is this Lala's makeup? Does she have her own makeup? How did I not know this? Really? Lala from Power? Oh, whoa. Let's see. Say Hello to Gorgeous Eye Palette, full of earthy sunset colors, mattes, blah, 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 blah. Is this Lala's brand? Because she literally took every opportunity in Power to get butt naked. Like, every opportunity she could get, she was naked, y'all. I remember somebody said something like, did Carmelo Anthony just piss off 50 Cent and he decided to make her, like, have sex in, like, every other scene? Oh, wow. She's pretty. She's pretty. That's what that one looks like. I'm not mad at this. Hashtag Give Them Lala Beauty. I not know. Now when I'm done with this, I need to go and like Google and see what other stuff she has. So we have Stepmom, because didn't her husband go and have a baby on her, like while they were married, and he went and got some other woman pregnant, right? And then she stayed with him or separated and got back with him. I don't know. So you got Stepmom, The Wife, Boss Lady, Princess of Bel-Air, Cabo Kisses, Say Yes, I Do, The Ring, and then Bridal Party down here. I'm looking at this, right, and it's pretty. It has an okay size mirror. And I'm just like, I don't know if y'all have noticed, but I have been decluttering, okay? And I feel like this is a palette that I will end up decluttering. I feel like I could create a look with this, but I have so many other palettes that I just want to use before this that I'm not gonna swatch it. That's where I'm going with it, y'all. I'm not gonna swatch it, okay? Let's save this one. We'll put this in a giveaway too. I don't know if all of these things will be in the giveaway that's going to be in the next TJ Maxx video, or if they are going to be, you know, in other giveaways, but I know the next TJ Maxx video is going to have a huge giveaway. Anyway, I will link the makeup and everything below for y'all. Y'all know, normally I am happy with my boxes. I always find the value there. And the palette is pretty, but I just feel like it's not something that screams to me. Just feel like I didn't. It's nice because I got a lot of things to throw into giveaways or to gift to people, but generally, I'm hoping next month will be better. I am glad that this is the worst month that I've ever had, so that means, you know, I've been with Boxycharm and Ipsy probably since I got married. Yeah, since I got married. So that means years and years and years of always being pretty satisfied. That's what she said. But I'm just saying, I'm not happy this month. That's all, you know. Anyway, let's just stop now before I continue to rant about how underwhelmed I am. Oh, y'all, look at, let me show you Coco's thing first. She had got this for her birthday, for her makeup, and she's got some palettes in there and some brushes. Nice, Coco. It's a Little Mermaid pencil case. Anyway, if you haven't already, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, click the bell, and all those good things. Bye.